guys, welcome back to my channel. As you've known, on this channel I give you updates on useful IT tips. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do mass find and replace. Now, so from the Excel sheet I have here, I have the serial number, I have the user ID, which is here, the username and the date. Looking at it, you will see that the username and the user ID have the same data, which is not supposed to be so. So what I want to do now is to replace this user names showing on that user ID with the various user ID which has been listed here. I have a total number of 400 data sets here. So instead of doing find and replace one after the other, like doing find and replace for each of them, I have been able to come up with a way to replace all these user names with these user IDs here. In order to begin, make sure that you have the original data and the data for replacement listed like this. So you click on this developer tab here, then you click on Visual Basic. You can also use alternate F11 as a shortcut. Right click on the particular sheet you are working on, click on Insert Module. Then what we'll do next is to pour in this code, which I'll be leaving in the description tab. And after doing this, you click on Run. Click on Run or use F5 as a shortcut. And now it's requesting for the original range. Then we go back to our Excel sheet, which is this, and highlight the original range. It's requesting for the replace range, which will come back here to our replacements and highlight the both of them and click on OK. Now this has been done automatically. Our user ID has been replaced. It's as easy as that. This method can also be used for larger data sets that are more than this 400. It can be 1,000, 6,000, 10,000, as the case may be. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you very much for your time. Make sure you hit the subscription button, make sure you give us a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to get more tutorial videos whenever I post. Thank you and bye.